Once upon a time, deep in the forest, there lived a greedy wolf named Wally. Wally always wanted more food than he needed, and he never shared with anyone. One day, Wally found a huge pile of delicious food near a tree: juicy fruits, fresh berries, and even a roasted chicken. His eyes gleamed with excitement. I'm going to keep this all to myself, Wally thought. He quickly gathered the food and ran back to his cave. As he was about to dig in, he noticed a small, hungry rabbit standing at his cave entrance. Please, Wally, could I have a little food? I haven't eaten in days, the rabbit pleaded. But Wally growled, Go away. This food is mine. The rabbit sadly hopped away. As Wally tried to enjoy his feast, something strange happened. No matter how much he ate, he couldn't taste the food. It was as if all the flavor had disappeared. Confused, he tried biting into the chicken, but it was bland. The berries were tasteless, and the fruits felt like chewing air. Just then, a wise old owl flew by. Wally, you've been too greedy, she said. Food tastes better when you share it with others. Wally realized his mistake. He called the rabbit back and shared half of his food with him. As they ate together, the food tasted better than ever before. Wally smiled and learned an important lesson that day: sharing makes everything sweeter. From that day on, Wally was known as the kind wolf who shared with everyone in the forest. And he was never lonely or hungry again.